Every year, Punjab's paddy fields tell two stories, one of abundance, golden harvests that feed a nation, and one of destruction, millions of tons of crop residue set ablaze, declining soil health, and rising climate pressures. Through round-the-year engagement model of Manav Vikas Sansthan, over 2 lakh farmers are being supported with sustainable, practical solutions across 3,000 plus villages in Punjab. MVS team work village to village, running behavior change campaigns that inspire farmers to adopt healthier, sustainable, and more profitable agricultural practices. Demonstration plots show real results right in the farmers' fields. Improved soil health, reduced residue burning, and increased productivity. Through training camps, meetings, and farmer field schools, MVS ensures farmers gain hands-on knowledge from crop residue management to water-saving techniques. Technology met tradition in other ways too. 90 WhatsApp groups connecting over 70,000 plus farmers, sharing tips, weather updates, and success stories in real time. With MVS's efforts, stubble burning is reducing year after year. From 32,000 plus burning incidents recorded in project villages in 2021 to 1,223 in 2025, bringing cleaner air and healthier fields for Punjab. Our work has also contributed towards adoption of alternate wetting and drying across 1 lakh plus acres and DSR across 10,000 plus acres. Farmers are steadily shifting towards better and sustainable practices. MVS has shown that Punjab's farmers are not the problem, they are the solution. Given knowledge, support, and alternatives, they choose the land over the flame.